Chaudhary, Samajwadi Party has their own ironies, but there's also the irony of the Congress. Today, here is what Jairam Ramesh, when he was again, and this is a question that doesn't leave them very easily, when they entered Assam, he was asked about the charge of being anti-Hindu all over again, although not specifically about Shivpal Yadav. He said that we are the real followers of Dharma. Now you have this uncomfortable alliance, you do a boycott of the Pran Pratishtha, and yet you say we are the real keepers of the Dharma. You've got a minister in Karnataka who's saying that a temple is only about 2 dolls who are kept in a tent. Another one says that a temple is not going to fill hungry stomachs, and yet you say we are the keepers of Dharma. Little strange, no?
Padmaja, as I'm speaking the last, I request you to give me just 2 minutes of your time. If you don't, first issues first. When the debate was, I was listening to the debate intently. Let me just remind you guys about the court order in the Shahid Babri Masjid demolition case, wherein the court acquitting all the people who were involved in the demolition case. They made a very interesting observation. Let me just read out one liner of that. Such car sevaks cannot be Ram Bucks because the crowd of these lawless car sevaks demolished the Babri Masjid, impacting communal harmony in various parts of the country. Point number 1. Now, if BJP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad and RSS feel so much for those Ram Bucks car sevaks who were shot down by Mulayam Singh Yadav and his government in power at that time, then why in Ayodhya the streets you have got 3 cutouts of Narendra Modi to 1 cutout of Bhagwan Shri Ram? Why are there no cutouts of the car sevaks in Ayodhya? First answer this question. Point number 2. Now you listen to the actual facts out here. Even if the Congress party is not attending the 22nd January, which we think is a political program of Narendra Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress party has maintained its stance uniform right from 1951 Somnath Mandir till 2024. Why I say this? Because our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ji said, religion is a personal affair and it is to be kept within the inner space of an individual, not to be browbeating about the religion or vilifying other religions to highlight your own religion.
Unless, of course, you are talking about being a Janeudhari Brahmin and you literally wear your Janeu on your sleeve. Chaliye, then religion ceases to be personal. Final word to you, Harshvardhan Tripathi, क्या कार सेवक सिर्फ बहाना है और समाजवादी पार्टी को घेरने का असली निशाना है?
देखिए पद्मजा, सबसे पहले तो मैं कमरुज्जमा चौधरी जी को प्रसन्न कर दूं। कार सेवकों के लिए शानदार मेमोरियल बनाया जा रहा है, उनकी स्मृति में कुछ भी कम नहीं रहेगा। कमरुज्जमा जी, आपको भी जाना चाहिए जो कुछ भी कार सेवा के दौरान हुआ और जितने कार सेवक वहां बलिदान हुए हैं उन सब के लिए, और ये योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने कहा है, मतलब उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा है, तो आप उनकी बात तो मानते ही है ना कि वो जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं। निश्चित तौर पर समाजवादी पार्टी को यह लगता है कि उसको अपना जो एक तय मतदाता समूह है उसमें कहीं कोई संदेह का वातावरण नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, वरना इस वक्त शिवपाल यादव जी को उस जो कारसेवकों पर फायरिंग हुई थी, जिसके बाद देश का कोई भी आस्थावान हिंदू आज तक पीड़ा में है, उसी के बाद मुलायम सिंह यादव को मौलाना मुलायम सिंह यादव की उपाधि मिली थी। क्यों उसको फिर से जगाने की जरूरत थी? क्यों बताने की जरूरत थी? सीधी सी बात है, एक तय मतदाता समूह पक्के तौर पर चाहिए। समझौता हो गठजोड़ में या ना हो तो दूसरा कोई खींच न ले जाए।
Think about that. I will leave it at that. Thanks very much, all gentlemen. Sanju Verma for joining me.